Hey guys, so this is an iPhone 6, oldie but goodies today. It's got a touch problem. This is sent in from Alberta. So first thing we're going to do is just come in here and clean up the underfill as we do. Never been to Alberta before, but here it's flat, right? But Alberta, that's where Banff is, isn't it? My geography is not so great. But I do like checking places out. There we go. Okay. So just clean up that LDO there. Clean up down here a little bit. Clean up down here. And up in here finally. Okay, beautiful. So now we're going to flip the board. Okay, then we will just pull this back. Okay. And then let's throw down some of our new flux here. Okay, now let's pull this IC off. So these are nice when these are iPhone 6s because don't have to run the jumper. A bit of a drop there. Is that right? Okay. Oh, it's that rubbish from my micro soldering trash can. Okay. Oh, pulled up the wrong iron there. Just gonna wick these pads down now. Okay. Jeepers. Gave you guys a surprise here today, didn't I? Okay, let's get out some flux. We got clean pads, but we got 2 missing NC pads. There we go. Okay. So now, get out our IC. Okay. Let's reball it. Just a little bit of flux. Clean the IC. Okay, let's hit that 1 pad there. Beautiful. Okay, so now turn down the brightness a bit for you guys. Grab out our iPhone 6 stencil here. And looks like we used it. I remember using it earlier for a 5S, believe it or not. Okay, so that's good. So now what we're going to do is just clean up the flux. Okay. Bring our IC in. There we go. Okay, there's something in there. Let's get that out. Okay, get that out. Beautiful. Okay, and boom. Okay, beautiful. So now let's get out. Okay, well, we'll just let the tweezers go. Okay. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. May as well give our stencil a little clean right now. Okay. Set that away. How's our IC? Let's give it one more little blast of heat. Beautiful. Okay, so let's get out our board now. Throw a little bit of our flux down. Okay, beautiful. Get a photo for the Instagram. Okay. So now let's just push this. Boom. Yeah, that's good. It'll do its thing. Let's turn up the brightness for you guys a little bit there. Go. Okay. Okay, so let's give it a test. get you guys out of the microscope. Oops. Boom. Boom. Oh, Wi-Fi antenna wants to pop up. Okay, so let us now test, right? Board's cooled. A lot more than we normally have cooled it, which is nice. Okay, let's put this. Okay. Beautiful. Let's get out the customer screen. See if we bring you guys in a little bit more. Boom. Beautiful. Okay, and not sure if there's any battery in here, so we're just going to use ours. Alright. Boom, the phone's dead. What do you know? Just kidding. Okay, so just going to finish this up here, hopefully. Boom, 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 boom. Come on, come on, come on. iPhone 6 takes a long time. Okay, so we've got touch, home button. Okay, so you guys can see now we've got touch working very nice again. Okay. Oh, do we? Okay, we're gonna also press on the motherboard over here a bit. Just be sure. Yep. Okay, we're looking good. All right, guys. Thanks for watching.